This is my cat Brookie, and like most cats, she loves to sit in the sun, especially in front of a window, and watch the world go by. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna build her a new perch in the garage so she can look out the window in the sun. So I'm gonna make her a little cat pedestal that goes right here, along with 2 ramps that are attached to this garage door so she can actually crawl up and sit on this pedestal and watch the world go by outside. With this build, you'll also easily and safely be able to open and close the garage door with no problem. All 3 components are kind of independently mounted to each section of the garage door. I used 3/4 inch ply for the pedestal, and I think 1/2 inch ply for the 2 ramps. I initially put carpet on the ramps, but the loop pattern on the carpet was vertical to her, or horizontal to her claws, and so she got stuck. So I ended up actually just stapling some rubber mats to the top of the carpet, which worked out better. The way the mounting works on the garage panels is I created a little wood slat that slides underneath the metal lip on the garage panels, and then you can just actually then screw in a couple of screws through the lip and then through the wood. So there's a lip on each top and bottom side of each garage door panel, and we're just using that to screw in the planks. If you do this project, you'll need to do one different thing. I can get this guy in up here, but down here, I don't have enough. I can't slide it in to get under here, so you'll need to cut an extra chunk out of the, if you have insulation in the carpet. If you don't need to worry about this, but if I do, because this one's in at the top, I can't get this in lower, so I'm gonna have to like chunk this out, slide it in, and it'll allow me to drop it. Here I'm drilling like an angled pilot hole for what I thought would be a useful like aluminum bar to keep the pedestal upright, but I ended up not using it. It just didn't provide enough leverage. Instead, I found a metal wire with a loop on one end and just attached it to the top of the garage panel and then the bottom of the platform, and it kept it pretty sturdy after that. Although the cat eventually used the ramps just fine to get up, she only uses the first one to get down, then she jumps. So it seems like cats don't really like fairly steep ramps like that. So if you do this, I recommend do either far less steep angle or do flat steps instead.